on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Right now, I just pulled in at the headquarters, man. Just finished doing a little small service call. And I wanted to say something. It's very important for you to be mobile being an independent welder. So, if you want to start out without having a shop and you don't have the money to get to that point, be mobile, honestly. Because a lot of people have different needs, and if you set a nice structure up online and you get you a little ad posted up, you can actually make money. Like, you might be down for a few days or might be a week, and then you'll get a call that might compensate for all of that. I had it happen to me several times. Like, man, I need to pay this bill, and then this come up and take care of that and some. So, if you would network yourself properly, be mobile, have a decent vehicle, something decent where you can move around in, and don't be afraid to move around. Don't be afraid to shake hands, because honestly, that's the only way you're going to get established good. So, it's very important to be mobile being an independent welder.